Welcome to my channel, the Sant Current Affairs Hub, source from the Hindu newspaper. Please subscribe my channel for latest current affairs updates. Stocks tax indefinite break for mental well-being. The star England all-rounder has withdrawn from the home test series against India beginning August 4. Oral-B review. Speak to the rupees 16,000 toothbrush with artificial intelligence features and a sleek design. The Oral-B series powers up the fight against bad brushing habits. Over 7 lakh vaccinated against COVID-19 in Puducherry. According to a health department official, the government had set a target of vaccinating around 10 lakh residents by the end of August. INS Eravat provides assistance to distressed fishing boat. Eastern Naval Command ship INS Eravat, a Shardul class amphibious warfare vessel, rescued 7 crew members from a distressed fishing boat off Car Nicobar Island in the Andaman area of Bay of Bengal late on Friday. Parliament proceedings, ISRO NASA joint satellite projects, that is called NISER, proposed to be launched early 2023. India and the US had agreed upon this mission during then President Barack Obama's visit to India in 2015. Tokyo Olympics. Vandana Kataria's hat-trick keeps India quarter-final hopes alive. Vandana 4th, 17th, 49th minutes achieved a rare feat by becoming the first Indian woman hockey player to score a hat-trick in the Olympics against South Africa. Venkaiah Naidu for People's Movement to protect Telugu. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu stressed the need for a people's movement to protect and propagate the Telugu language. Sanjeev Kishore is new GM of SWR. Sanjeev Kishore, IRSME, has assumed charge as the new general manager of South Western Railway, that is SWR. Earlier, he served as additional member in production units of Railway Board. Bommai urged Centre to release GST dues of Karnataka, that is amount pending dues amount to rupees 11,000 crore. Mr. Bommai was the state's representative in the GST Council when he was the Minister for Law and Parliamentary Affairs in the B.S. Yediyurappa government. Tokyo Olympics. India's Kamalpreet Kaur cruises into the discus throw final. Kamalpreet Kaur did not disappoint on her Olympic debut, qualifying for the women's discus throw final comfortably with a 64-meter effort in Tokyo on Saturday. The 25-year-old national record holder is the first Indian in athletics to qualify for the final in Tokyo. With a new High Commissioner and strategy roadmap, Sri Lanka seeks to reset ties with India. According to a formal proposal presented to Sri Lankan President Gotabaya Rajapaksa, which the Hindu has seen. The roadmap will help bridge the governing bridge the growing trust deficit. Coronavirus. WHO sounds alarm over Delta variant surge. China races to contain its worst COVID 19 outbreak in months that has now spread to 14 provinces. 12th Corps Commander talks between India and China underway. The talks are scheduled to be held at Moldo on the Chinese side, opposite Chulsul at 10:30 a.m. Rajasthan farmers turn to entrepreneurship in a big way. As many as 617 agro projects are in the pipeline with an estimated investment of rupees 1255 crore.